Stop scrolling, because these chicken wings are about to ruin every other wing you've ever had. Crispy, juicy, buttery, and absolutely packed with flavor in every bite. Let's make them. I'm starting with 500 grams of chicken wings skin on. I'm cutting them in half right through the joint. This helps them cook evenly and get extra crispy edges. Alright, I've added the wings into a bowl and set them aside. Now in another bowl, I'm making the spice mix. We're starting with half a tablespoon of baking powder. This is the secret to getting that ultra crispy skin. Then I'm adding 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika for that smoky flavor, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, and 1 teaspoon red chili flakes for a little heat. Now I'm mixing everything together really well until it is fully combined. Next, I'm sprinkling the spice mix all over the chicken wings, and I'm tossing everything until every single piece is evenly coated. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil. This helps the seasoning stick and helps the wings crisp up beautifully in the oven. I'm mixing it one more time and letting it rest for about 10 minutes so all those flavors can soak in. Now I'm taking a baking tray with a wire rack on top. I'm placing all the wings on the rack, making sure they are not touching each other. This is really important because the air circulation underneath is what gives us that all-around crispiness. Now these go into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. But we are not done yet. Halfway through, we are going to flip them, so both sides get perfectly golden. After about 15 minutes, I'm taking them out, and look at that. They are already starting to turn golden and crispy on the edges. Now I'm flipping each wing carefully, and they are going back into the oven for the remaining 15 minutes. While those finish baking, let's quickly make the glaze. In a small pan, I'm melting 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter until it becomes smooth and sizzling. Then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, which is about 2 cloves, and 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes for a gentle heat, and just a small pinch of fresh parsley. I'm sauteing everything for 10 to 15 seconds just until the garlic becomes fragrant. Then I'm turning off the heat and setting it aside. Now the wings are done, golden brown, crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and absolutely perfect. I'm taking them out of the oven now. And here is the secret step. I'm pouring in all those juices from the baking tray. That is pure flavor right there. Do not waste it. Now I'm pouring the warm garlic butter glaze all over the wings, and I'm tossing everything together until every wing is glossy, buttery, and fully coated in flavor. Just look at that shine. Now I'm plating them up, adding fresh parsley on top, and if you like, a squeeze of lemon for extra freshness. Make it once, and you will keep making it again and again. See you in the next one. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you liked my video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching.